All right, guys, 2023 Super Duty 6.2 liter beast of a truck, F-250. Look at this thing. Sucker's huge. This is what it sounds like before. Very muffled, very quiet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 93. Again. Again. So 95 when it's full throttle. So he wants more performance than sound, so we're gonna pour him a BORLA SPORTSMAN muffler. We're gonna replace the muffler with a SPORTSMAN. Stay tuned. 2023 Ford F-250, but it is the 6.2 liter. Still a big, massive truck. It's a really nice truck. Let me show you what we did on it. Factory converter. Then they put this giant resonator where it goes dual in, single out to try to cancel out drone. Then they have another baby resonator there. It's all 3-inch pipe, by the way. And then what we did is took that muffler out right here and replaced it with a BORLA SPORTSMAN. Here's the part number, 40944. It's a BORLA SPORTSMAN edition, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, which is very fitting because he is a hunter, so he is a sportsman too. And then there's 3-inch pipe that we added to the 3.5-inch tailpipe. We can only bend 3-inch. That's why, guys, we can't bend 3.5. And then it's got another resonator there, and then the factory tailpipe out the back. So there's the BORLA SPORTSMAN. Again, there'll be a link in the description for it, guys. It's part number 40944. And there's the stock muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Oh, nice. He wants the performance more than the sound, guys. It is a lot deeper than it was. Here's sound decibels, guys. Again. About 2%, 2 decibels, 97, 98, around there. Go ahead and back it out. That's nothing crazy, just clean. Here's at idle. Ford F-250 STX 6.2 liter. This massive truck, guys, Super Duty 6.2 liter with a BORLA SPORTSMAN. Muffler swap. Ooh, look at that. Haha, I like it. Enjoy, guys.